I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to switch your mobile number from 3UK to Oppo, follow these steps to make the process smooth and hassle-free. Step 1. Request a PSC code. Contact 3UK to request your porting authorization code PSC. You can do this via their customer service number or through their app. Step 2. Sign up with Oppo. Once you have your PSC code, go to Oppo's website or visit a store to sign up for a new plan. Provide them with your PSC code during the sign-up process. Step 3. Provide your information. Fill out the necessary information, including your personal details and the PSC code. Make sure everything is accurate to avoid delays. Step 4. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your information, Oppo will process your request. This usually takes a few hours, but it can take up to 24 hours. Keep an eye on your email for confirmation. Step 5. Test your new service. Once you receive confirmation, insert your new Oppo SIM card and test your service. Make a call or send a text to ensure your number has successfully ported. Remember, if you run into any issues, Oppo's customer service can help you troubleshoot. Best of luck with your new plan.